Have you met Dave?
Hi, Dave.
Yeah, he's also a new animal. Did you greet him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I got a sweaty hug like at the show last time.
Oh, just that you didn't hug him tonight?
Not yet.
Can we not?
Get to it.
Why do you say that
Oh,
while
shit.
between me?
Oh,
It's a sandwich! I love sandwiches!
So, you guys will be playing your last show as Punch Drunk Monkeys on. Oh, God.
On Saturday, April 25th at Downtown Quarterback, our brand new drummers are coming in to play our very last show.
Really? A brand new drummer again?
Hey, how's it going?
Someone's dying over
He's drummer
here!
number 16, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, look, I
He's the
got
latest and
me!
the greatest drummer ever to be through.
I got me!
And also the only one that is also in
I
Ramones
got me!
cover band.
We know what it's about, but we're not gonna tell.
Yeah.
What if I sick Dave on you?
Depends how far that goes. It might have a breaking point.
What if Dave's clothes starts coming off?
No, not gonna do it.
He's got a lot of spit.
Wow, play his music. He's getting ready to dance.
I think we'll play some new animal,
Oh,
actually.
boy.
This is Give It.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I just want to say goodbye.
But you're not leaving.
We might leave.
Oh, that can't happen.
I know, but look, it's been beautiful.
Wait a second!
All these years. Last has always helped us promote shows, and he's always been great. And these guys come out
Stop
and make great DVDs of the live shows and stuff.
I'm gonna do one of this too.
And they really, you know, I mean, they got their heart in it, and everybody in Punch Drunk Monkeys really asked me to express that and say, you know, you guys are whatever.
You can't leave yet. You gotta hear this.
Yeah. Well, yeah, of course.
All right, here we go.
All right.
No, that's not it.
Oh God!
They're hugging me. I don't know what happened. I had to like. No, I don't know what's going on. Sweet Jesus, help me. But they're in rapid hugging.
Wait, you're missing Jonah!
Oh, yeah, you're hugging Joe. He's very upset about that. I'm trying to fix this. I don't know what happened to your song. Okay, I got it. I love that song. You love that song? Let me come together. There we go.
Oh, that's me, you're biting!
Oh, look at that duct tape.
Is this it? Casey knows I got
Oh no!
Oh, gee, I don't think this is it either. Oh, God, what's going to happen now? Hey, fans are coming down. That's what's happening.
Those are awesome AC/DC boxers you got there.
What? What? Why did you bring their strumming music on here, Jonah?
Let's get out of here, you guys.
Hey, you can't leave yet. You gotta wait. Hang on.
Randy Way! Surprise!
I gotta say, hang on. I have something for you. That's all it is. Oh, God. Hang on.
No!
Something in the water.
Take it with you.
What's going on? I don't know what's happening!
My pants are half.
Oh, it burns! It burns!
Okay, let's go outside for the group picture. We're going outside for the group picture.
We're still naked. Wait, right,
Oh my god.
why would you have naked people? Ah, stop moving! Come on, right? Goddamn! I'm part of a sandwich I don't want. Right foot! Right foot! Left foot! I got you! All right, left foot onto the step. Okay, where are you down? Okay, I'm down. Okay. All right. Ah, my arm! Oh, no, Mark! No! Hey, you fat bastard! Hey, get him! I can't! Ah, stop moving! Ah, no more moving! Oh my God! We gotta hold him off!
I believe this is a sad commentary on the state of America today. This is what the election of Barack Obama has led to. I just want to make that, you know, really painfully clear. This would never have happened in a John McCain presidency.
You okay, Jonah? What's the matter?
If Sarah Palin was the president, this wouldn't be happening right now.
I'm a little afraid.
I'll just plant my brain!
Alright, you ready?
This is gonna be...
If only we had the night vision camera, that would be so much better.
I think this just went from PG to X-rated. I don't want to be available.
Wait, here. Wait, here.
Probably Joe's.
Thank you!
An entire whole peep came out of him that didn't look like any of the peeps he ate.
He gave birth to a peep.
He did. Pretty much. What did Dave just do to you,
I
Jonah?
don't want to discuss it.
He touched your butt.
It seems to have involved a lot of duct tape.
You said we would hold hands when we're done!
Okay. That's good. Surprise.
I'd like to remind you, Jonah, you said you'd be fine.
I'm good.
You gave him energy drinks, you said you'd be good.
Arms don't bend like that!
Why do you have a belt on and no pants?
You know, it's funny.
Why would I have a belt on and no pants?
You know what's funny is he sits around here with his pants around his ankles and nobody says anything for like an hour. It's kind
They're
of...
used to it at this point.
What's that?
Dave is completely straight.
Why is that amazing?
Have you seen how it looks to you?
There's a lot,
Wondering, are
there's a
you
lot of love.
Does Blue Animal have a female vocalist, Jonah?
I don't think so.
You sure?
Not last I checked.
Dave said you might.
I'll go check. And I can tell from here. We're good.